We are now filming. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the spindle again. Another 15 millimeter per minute feed rate test using 0.6 millimeter diameter, 14 karat gold on aluminum oxide, 96% aluminum oxide. Our Z feed distance is 0.175 millimeters, and our table feed distance is 10 millimeters. So here goes nothing. 30,000 RPM spindle speed. Starting the file now. Turning the spindle off. Disabling the video.